Prepare yourself for some exciting news. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is in the spotlight today, with numerous leaked images circulating. These are not just mock-ups. They seem to be legit photos of an early S24 prototype. Isn't this news quite the buzz? We are talking about a phone that will be unveiled alongside its siblings, the S24 and S24 Plus. The leaks are coming in thick and fast, and it looks like we are in for a treat. We've seen convincing fakes before. However, Ice Universe, a well-known Samsung leaker, has confirmed that these are real images, so it is safe to say that this is your first proper look at what the phone will look like. Remember the smooth curves of the S23 Ultra? They are now history. The S24 Ultra features a flat screen and back panel, which may have sparked debates in the past, but now seem pretty standard. The new S24 Ultra appears to be a carbon copy of its predecessor. The camera, flash, buttons, and ports are all the same. But we have not seen its user interface yet. Keep your fingers crossed for more leaks soon. Wait. There's more to uncover, from battery sizes to camera upgrades. So, what else do we know about the S24 Ultra? Let's dive into what the Galaxy S24 Ultra might bring to the table. We are hoping for no price increases, given that the rumored specs are similar to those of its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. We are talking about a 5000 mAh battery, a jaw-dropping 200MP primary rear-facing camera, and a large 6.8-inch display. The upgrades, however, are spectacular. A potential increase in screen brightness to 2500 nits from the S23 Ultra's 1750 nits, a game-changing 200MP sensor, and storage options ranging from 128GB to a whopping 2TB. And here's the camera twist: the S24 Ultra's rear system could shake things up. The periscope telephoto lens is expected to increase in resolution from 10 to 50 megapixels, while decreasing in optical zoom from 10x to 5x. Until now, there haven't been any authentic leaks about the pricing, so it's hard to say. But in essence, we don't expect a price hike, since everything seems pretty similar to the S23 Ultra, as I've discussed in this video. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more future updates. For now, this is Techtics signing off.